Hey everybody, we always in Jacksonville, Florida. Hope y'all can hear us. It's very windy out here.
I know, it reminds me of how the weather was in Egypt. So we just wanted to stop by and just say, hey, we're back from Egypt, and it was such a wonderful experience. So when you check out our videos, check out our photos again, you know, you gotta let us know if you want to come on the next trip we're planning. We're looking at Ghana,
Yes, you got to.
Morocco, South Africa in the future. We get great reviews when we do our trips. We're doing Dubai again. So that's not what we're here for, though.
And remember, it be a real trip with us, not this glorified. You know, you see the background, get the real thing, the food and everything too.
Yes.
You know, you hang
culture.
with us. Hey,
culture.
And I love the culture and I love the nature. Go ahead, Carol, with the rest of your thing.
All right, guys. So the reason why we're here today and we're doing this video live on the scene in Murray Hill, which is one of the great areas in Jacksonville. So when you come down to visit us, we can actually give you a great restaurant recommendation here. And the next thing that we wanted to tell you guys is this. So you want to keep in touch with us, and we need you to get on our email distribution list, because that's where we'll be giving you all our content about real estate investing, passively and actively. Where to locate money, when we're having our next Black Professional Real Estate Investing Forum, all this good information that's tied to investing in real estate. So what we need you to do is at the bottom of this video, right? There's a link. Click on that link so you can get on our email distribution list. And not only that, you're going to get the latest and greatest from Keith and myself concerning investing in real estate. Again, we are trying to increase Black wealth. That is our goal, that is our mission, and we want to do it with heart for the community. That's what we're about. Yes. So if you have the heart for the community and you want to transform communities from the inside out, restoration and not gentrification, work with us. Get on our email distribution